This here is a 1991 Chevrolet half-ton 1500 pickup. Has 135,000 original miles. Has absolutely no rust, no dents anywhere in this truck. It's got brand new 32 1150 15 mud claw tires. About $875 for the set of 4. The camo that you are seeing is not a wrap. It is a painted on. It's got air shocks underneath of it. You can air them up and it raises them up and down and stuff. It's got a 350 bored 40 over with a cam. It's got roller rockers, roller heads, cammed. It's an extremely nice truck. It's got tinted windows. It's got centerline wheels on it. I'll go ahead and start it. I'll go ahead and get it started, and then I'll show you a motor picture here in a minute. Inside's is kind of dirty. I ain't had it cleaned up. I've been cutting wood and stuff with it. Show you a picture of under the hood. So the truck's pretty dirty. I got to get it cleaned up, but I'll clean it up and I'll put a clean video on here too. Dad, he'll get in there, he'll rev it up a little bit so you guys can kind of hear it. I was told the motor has right around about 425 horsepower. I don't know, I haven't actually dynoed it to see, but I do know with those 32 1150 15s it will get third gear chirps. Pretty quick truck for a full-size 4-wheel drive. One of the nicest 91s in town. Take it out for a test drive. 91 Chevy 1500. Take her down the road a little bit, make sure there ain't no cars or anything, and I'll get on a little bit to show you guys kind of what it's got. Get down here and get turned around a little bit.
There ain't cops around. I think it's clear.
Alright, this is from dead stop. See what it'll do. Truck's still kind of cold. warmed up now, so.
Looks clear to you.
We'll go a 30 mile an hour launch. I'm gonna show you guys what it'll do at that. As you can see, we're right next to the interstate, so I'm trying to kind of keep it easy because I don't know what's all out there and what can be seen, so. Not the fastest tow truck, but it's just pretty quick for a full-size, 4-wheel drive.